This is Janelle at Waypoint, and because we're in quarantine, I decided to put together some 5 easy home projects while you are at home. And I'd love to see you guys post your projects and anything else that you guys have done and tag Waypoint Realty so that we can kind of look at them and comment and share. So the first thing is rearranging spaces to freshen it up. So maybe you want to try a new furniture layout, your family room, the configuration. It's good to spruce this up and change things up. I know people that do this all the time, at least once a month. Me, I do it maybe once every year or 2 years, maybe. So it's a good time to kind of look at your space, switch things up a bit, and give it kind of a fresh appeal without having to spend a dime. Another really good thing you can do is rearrange your bookshelves. Maybe remove some of the books, add some decorative pieces, put books in other places of the house, switch up your decor. Maybe you have a lamp that you want to switch up, maybe a side table, and move things around in your house. I actually have had a chance to do this a bit the last couple weeks, so it's actually been really refreshing to sit down and kind of have a different feel to the space. The second thing is spring cleaning. Now, I hate cleaning, but it's been really great, especially targeting the laundry room. If you have a room that you have been dreading, this is a really good time to set a few times apart. Maybe if you've got kids at home during nap time where you're just tackling this. This is a really great way to be able to clean up a space and finally apply some of that time that you've put off to actually getting this done. Great time to declutter, remove items that you forgot even existed. Right now, I still have a space in my house that I know I need to get to, and this is probably a really good time to do it. But even in quarantine, I keep dreading it. But it's a really good time to do this, cleaning your vents, cleaning your baseboards, and don't forget under your bed. Again, things can accumulate really quick. So a good time to start that spring cleaning. And guys, we're in springtime. So again, great time to hit your spring cleaning with more detail than normal. The third thing is organizing. Now, there is a great company that I love called S&S Organizing, so here's my little plug for them. But if you don't want to organize it, once this quarantine is done, you can hire them to do it. They're fantastic. But this is your time to start tackling different spaces in your house that you need, need a little organization. You can do your closet, move on from there. If you think it's organized, start cleaning it out, tidy up your entryway, the laundry room. Again, the laundry room was a big thing that I needed to tackle. And when I did, I was like, oh, I can breathe. If you're daring, reorganize your kitchen. Start doing the pots and pans. Take out things that you don't regularly use. And when everything is out of quarantine and when we get back, start donating some of that stuff. We've got a really great group on Facebook called Ofredo, where you can give stuff away for free to your Oviedo community. But you can start cleaning them out. Look at your spice cabinets, your pantry. My goodness. I know that pantries get cluttered with canned foods that you don't even know that you've had, or some have already expired. You know that's bad because canned foods last a long time. So, good way to start organizing your house. The fourth thing is focusing on those walls. So if you guys have some paint lying around from a previous project, good time to touch up some of those walls. Maybe you have paint that you bought before the quarantine started or even right at the beginning, and you're like, you know what, this is my time to freshen up those rooms. Paint new walls, change up some of the spaces, the walls that you have with pictures. Even add wallpaper if you're daring. I love seeing wallpaper on different posts that we do for home improvements. I am not that gutsy, but if you are, have at it. This is your time to play with wallpaper. Look at some frames, swap them out, put them in different parts of the house. I've actually done this already where I've rotated some of my picture frames. And again, it's nice because you almost start to notice them again, because what happens is when things are in your house the same way forever, you actually forget that they're there. You don't even pay attention to them. So when you rearrange items in your home, your eye will catch that and you'll start appreciating things that you forgot you even owned. And the final thing is outdoor space. This is a little more challenging if you're in an apartment, but if you're in a house or you have land, it's really great to start looking at your outdoor space, start planting. This is the perfect time to plant some new crops. Enjoy the weather, take advantage of it, start cleaning out old winter planters or planters that you have, empty them out, put in new soil, and get those seedlings ready to harvest in the summer or even in the fall. Then start cleaning out some of that outdoor patio furniture you probably haven't utilized in a little bit, and get that space ready for some outdoor entertaining, even if it's just for your immediate family, and enjoy the outdoors. We put this together here at Waypoint Realty for you. If you guys have any more suggestions, please feel free to contact us about this. We love to be able to give you guys some tips and tricks on what to do. But remember to post your projects and tag Waypoint Realty. We'd love to see what you guys have been working on during your time in quarantine.